Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to show you or just show you around here on my plants because it's really warm here in our place, really warm during the day. So it's now right now it's around 7:30 in the evening, and it's still a little bit bright here. It is the time that I usually um, go out of the house because it is so warm during the day until there is no, as long as there is sun. But there are also days that we have this strong winds, then it's not too warm here. But like yesterday we had strong winds here, that's why I had time to clean a little bit in our yard. I cleaned the dry leaves from that tree here. There, that's the tree from our neighbor, but of course it's just here in our the leaves are also drops here in our yard because of the branches here in our yard. So that's okay, it's nice anyway, I don't mind about that. And so they have cleaned their yard the other day, and there's a lot of dried leaves from the branches that they cut from. So I waited till the day that is not really too warm to stay here outside. So yesterday we had a strong wind, not really so strong, but as long as we have strong wind circulating, it's not really it's not too warm for us to go out. So yesterday I had time to go out, and I'm going to show you my cactus here. One of my cactus that I am planning to transfer now in a smaller pot because last springtime I also transferred it here from a small pot. I transferred it here in a bigger pot, and it seems like, I don't know, I got a problem. If you have watched my other video, my previous video just recently, that I have a rattan cactus, and is one of the cactus that I have here in that pot, and it got rotten. So I'm trying to save it, and right now I have it, I'm waiting for it to dry, the part that I cut, or yeah, the part at the bottom part that I have cut. I'm waiting for it to get dry so that I can replant it. But this one here, I transferred it there in a smaller pot because I want to transfer it in a smaller pot again from the big pot here. But it seems like that small pot cannot hold this because it is really, this cactus is really heavy. It's really heavy. So I had a hard time because I don't want to stay outside because it's too warm. So I just put it back here. I did not really plant it here. I just put it on top of the dirt, cover a little bit more dirt, just a little bit of dirt to cover the roots here. So that's what I did not really plant it here. So I'm going to look for a smaller pot again to transfer, because I have noticed that this cactus is they don't really grow longer roots, and this pot here that I have is a what do you call this, self watering pot here. So the water stays here, the water stays here when you water the plant here, the water stays here. But it's not really advisable to use it here, especially in our place. Okay, it's not really advisable to use this kind of pot because it is really warm. The weather here gets too warm, and the water that stays here also gets too warm. That I think it's not good for the plants. So now I have decided to since I got that rotten cactus, the other cactus there, now I am deciding to look for another smaller pot, which is not a self-watering pot. I have to transfer it so that it will not get rotten. So for now, I did not water that. I did not water the soil here. Maybe I'll just water it maybe once a week maybe, but not a lot of water, so that they will not get rot. Okay, so and this is my Malabar here that is really surviving also. So I'm not really giving attention to them right now because they are into their surviving state. Yeah, all my plants are trying to survive from the heat. So this plant here, it was yellowing the other day. You know what, because last time we have the water interruption here for like a few hours only actually, but it just get in time that where is this going, that I think I have to close this, or okay, just let it water here because I want the ground to have water also. But anyway, going back to what I have been talking. So it's only they did not get water in the morning because these plants here, they get water twice a day or every 12 hours. So in the morning they did not get water. And I noticed in the afternoon that they are almost wilted. Good thing they came back. So now they're okay because they are being watered every 12 hours. So it came back. The plants here can get easily wilted because it's too warm here. So that's my eggplant. The eggplants that has really small leaves also, they are surviving, they're okay. I trim the other branches, the smaller branches. I prune them. I take off the smaller branches to have an air for the other branches to survive, or a chance for the other branches to survive and grow better. You know, sometimes we have to cut some of the other branches, like my tomato here. It did not survive also. Some did not survive. See how brittle it is. So that means it is really burned from the very warm weather here, burned from the heat of the sun. But this part here is doing okay. I also cut some of the branches, but as long as they grow back, that's okay. And like this one is it's getting darker now. It's almost 8 o'clock in the evening. And this is my tangerine. It gets new branches. And I think I hide it here because this place here is getting morning sun, and it's usually they don't get the afternoon sun. So I think it's okay here as long as they get water every 12 hours or twice a day. Okay, so it's getting darker, so I'll continue my plant story on my next video. So for now, thank you guys for watching, and see you on my next video. Bye for now.